As an example, a program for loading a Trevista image was prepared. The curvature image is copied to its own image memory after the image is loaded. Likewise, a circular ring was prepared, which encloses the test area. Another program with the same structure loads a different view of the part. Here the test area is defined by a polygon. Now create an empty program that should find the defect as a function in both programs. The defects are found through a sequence of convolutions and segmentation. Start with the median image smoothing. Continue with a dispersion filter. Select the standard deviation mode and adjust the parameters appropriately. The filtered image now shows areas with a lot of curvature change as bright areas. Now find these bright areas as defects. Ignore small objects in this case. Now draw the found objects into the input image. Now create program variables so that the program can be configured. Suitable for this purpose is, among others, the input and buffer image memory as integer value. Now let the commands react to the variable values by linking them. Also create a variable of type geometry objects for masking the commands. Now link the commands with the new variable. As the last parameter variable, create an integer value as the threshold for the segmentation. Link this also with the command to find objects. Now the subprogram is ready for use and can be inserted as a function in the main program. Use the command call function in the group flow control. Select the prepared function program. To make the parameter variables visible, they must also be marked accordingly. To do this, go to the Program Variables dialog and open the properties of the variables. Now set the parameter property for all parameter variables. Now these variables appear as parameters in the function command. Link the mask objects with the taut circular ring. The function program is now executed as a subprogram with defined parameter values. Now repeat the last steps with the second main program. Select the polygon as the mask object. To make the defect objects also usable in the main program, define a function result variable of the type objects. Activate the result property for this variable. Now link the result of the segmentation with the new program variable. The function call now has the result variable as the command result. The new function program can now be used in a variety of ways in the future.